Today on Mac's Handy Gadgets, how to make a delicious pork loin roast, tender and juicy. So let's get started. Okay, we have our beautiful center cut pork loin here. It's got a nice fat cap, and we're going to just go ahead and we pat it dry, make it nice and dry. Okay, now we just flip it over. Do the other side. Okay. Okay, here what we're going to do is we're going to cut this maybe a pound off of this, so it'll end up to be about a 3.5 pound roast, something like that. So we'll just go ahead and do that. We'll cut off a nice piece here, just like that. We end up with really nice pork chops. If we want to cut them up, and cut them up real thick, maybe 4 of them, and we'll just save that for something else. Now we have our nice roast here. It's about 3.5 pounds now. Yeah, now what we're going to do is we're going to flip that over and see our fat cap there. We're going to score that. Okay, and then we'll go the other way. Okay, that looks pretty good. Okay, let's tie up our roast here. Wonder if we can get another one down the end here. There you have it, our nice pork loin roast, center cut, and it's all tied up nicely. Beautiful. Looks nice. Okay. Now we're going to add some salt. Okay, we're going to flip that right over. Do the same to the other side. Now we're going to put that aside for a minute. Okay, for our marinade, we're going to keep it simple here. We got 3/4 cup of soy sauce. And to that, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, and about 1/4 cup of green onions, and we're going to mix that up, and there you have it, our marinade. Really simple, beautiful. Just a regular old Ziploc bag will do. We'll move our marinade out of the way, and we'll take our beautiful pork loin here, and we're going to put that right in there. Just like that. Beautiful. Nice. Now all we have to do is add our marinade to the bag. Just pour that right in there. Just like that. Seal it up. Get some of the air out. And there we have it. Our pork loin with all that good marinade. Beautiful. Nice. Okay, let's open up the Instant Pot here. And we'll take our pot out and fill it with water. Okay, we'll put our pot of water back in here. Now it's about 3 inches down from the top here. Yeah, now we're going to take our beautiful pork loin roast here. That's beautiful. Really nice. Alright, we're going to put that right in there. Open up your bag a little and let the water displace most of the air out. Just like that. Now you can use a straw if you want to get more air out, but this works good. You can see all the air is pretty much out of that bag right there. Can you see it? Beautiful. Okay. Just make sure your roast is covered with water. Put it down in there like that. You can tuck the end of the bag down. It's really nice. Nice and covered there. Now all we have to do is cover that with our lid and set our pot. Okay, now we're going to set the Instant Pot to Sous Vide. And we're going to go yep, keep going. 7 hours. And we're going to drop that down a little bit. We don't want to do 145. We're going to try 140 this time because when we air fry it, it should take it up that extra 5 degrees. We'll say 140 and we'll hit start. And that's all there is to it. Now make sure your Instant Pot is not set to sealing. You know, make sure it's not sealed. Well, the Instant Pot's preheating. I'll bring you back when it's done preheating. Okay guys, it's done preheating. We got 7 hours on the clock at 140 degrees. Yep. Okay, for you it'll be just like this. For me, I'll see you in 7 hours. Wow. Yeah, you know what it's time for now, don't you? Something cold to drink. That sounds good. Okay guys, our pork loin roast will be done in 12 minutes. That gives us enough time to make a delicious honey glaze for our pork roast. So let's do that. Yeah, while we're waiting for our pork loin roast to finish cooking, we're going to make a delicious glaze for it. Yeah, seasonings for our glaze is 1 tablespoon of thyme, 1 tablespoon of rosemary, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and a little bit of black pepper is good. Okay, now we're going to add a full cup of brown sugar. Can you see it? Alright. There you go. Now we're going to add a good amount of honey, maybe 1/4 cup. Now we're going to add half a cup of pineapple juice. Now we're going to set our burner to low. And we got to stir this real carefully because, you know, sugar and honey, you know, if they get to bubbling too much, they're going to burn it. So let's take it easy on this. Yeah, we're just going to mix that around a little bit. Okay, now we got to let our burner get a little bit warm. Yeah, before we completely reduce this down, you know, and make it nice and thick. We're going to add our seasonings, mix them up a little bit. Put them in there. Okay, let's stir in them seasonings a little bit. Boy, when that gets reduced down and gets thick, and you stir that up with those seasonings in there, boy, that's going to be tasty. Okay, let's let it simmer away a little bit. Okay, it's simmering away real nice, and it's reducing down. That's good. That's going to be tasty. Yep, I can smell it already. Okay, our tasty glaze here is smelling good, and it's also reduced down, so that's good. And it looks about right, so we're going to go ahead and let that cool down a bit and see how it is. It's pretty sticky. It's got a lot of flavor right now. I licked my fingers a couple times. Okay, I think that glaze is done. Boy, is that nice. Look how that sticks to the spoon. Beautiful. Okay guys, our sous vide pork loin roast is done. Now we just hit cancel. Now that's been sous vide for 7 hours at 140 degrees, so let's take a look at it together. Okay, let's open the lid here. See how we did. Okay. Wow. Look at the juices in there. Can you see them? They're beautiful. Okay. There we have it there. Our beautiful pork loin roast, sous vide for 7 hours at 140 degrees. Alright, let's get that out of there. Okay guys, we have our sous vide pork loin roast right out of the Instant Pot here. Looks nice, don't it? Beautiful. Look at all those juices. Okay, let's see if we can get that out of the bag. We got a nice glove on here. Beautiful. Now we're going to save our juice here in case we need it. You know, our marinade juice. Yeah, that's good. Now we're going to pat it dry as best we can. You can still see some of the green onion and the garlic and spices that are in there. Yeah, that's really good. Now we're going to take our handy trivet here and we're going to put that right on there. Just like this. Beautiful. Alright. Now we're going to take our delicious honey glaze that we made. Beautiful. And we're going to put that right on there. You can pour it right on if you want. Alright, that looks really nice. I wish you could smell this because it's definitely tasty smelling. Did I miss any spots? You guys let me know if you see any. Wow, I wish you could smell that because it really smells good. You could eat that right now, I'm telling you. Yeah, we're going to put this in the air fryer at maybe 10 to 15 minutes at 450 degrees, and we're going to caramelize this all up and make it really tasty and delicious. Boy, it smells good already, but wait until we're done. Let's do that. Okay, we're going to spritz our pot with a little bit of oil here. Help things from sticking. And we're going to take our beautiful pork loin roast here, and we're going to take that and we're going to put that right in there like this, just like that. Okay, then we're going to take our air fryer lid and we're going to put that on and push down. Now all we have to do is set our pot. Okay, now we just set our Instant Pot to air fry, and we're going to go 12 minutes at 450 degrees and hit start. And in 12 minutes we're going to have a delicious pork loin roast with the honey glaze on top, all caramelized up. Boy, I can't wait to taste that. Yeah. Okay, it's done preheating. We got 12 minutes on the clock at 450 degrees. I'll bring you back when it's just about a minute left on the clock there. Almost done. There you have it, guys. In 9 seconds, our pork loin honey glaze roast is going to be done. Boy, does it smell good in here. Okay, we just hit cancel. Okay, now let's take a look at it together. Okay, let's take a look. See how we did. Wow. Look at that. Wow, that looked nice. hot in there, so be careful. Let's take it out of there. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. Okay. Boy, I can't wait to get into that right there. Okay guys, there it is. Our beautiful pork loin roast. Now what we have to do is get that off of there and cut our twine and slice it up and have a taste test. Yeah, that's gonna taste good. You ought to smell that. Well, there you have it guys. Our beautiful pork loin roast. Honey glazed with special seasonings. Boy, does that smell good. Yeah, I can't wait to get into that. And neither can anybody else. The smell is wonderful. Okay, let's slice into that. I'll turn it so you can see it better. How's that? Good? Okay, let's get a little piece off the end here. Oh, is that tender? I wish you could smell this because this smells wonderful. Look at the juice running out of that. Beautiful. Really beautiful. Okay. Boy, is that tasty looking. Yeah, it's still really juicy. I don't know if you can see it, but it's really juicy. Okay, let's just have a little taste. I want a little bit of the crust here. Oh yeah, talk about tender. Look at how tender that is. It's got the wiggle test. Look at that crust. Oh yeah. Okay. Wow, is that tasty. Man, you're gonna love this one. Yeah, I just gotta have another little piece here. Beautiful. Beautiful crust on there. Nice and caramelized. Yep. Let's just have another little taste. You're not gonna beat this. This is really tasty. Well, there you have it, guys. A beautifully sous vide pork loin roast that we sous vide for 7 hours. And then we air fried it for 12 minutes at 450 degrees to caramelize the glaze that's on top. And that glaze has special seasonings in it, and boy are they flavorful. And they form a nice little crust on there. You see it? Beautiful. This is very tasty. You're going to enjoy this one right here. Yep. I don't know if you can see it or not, but just look how juicy that is. It's wiggly and it's juicy. Can you see the juice? You see it? Yep. Beautiful. You can't beat that right there. Well, you know what would go good with that right there? Yep, you guessed it. A nice cold chilled glass of wine. And you better hope everybody's home because there's a lot to eat here. Or you could make sandwiches out of it later, maybe tomorrow. Yeah, that sounds good. Your guests are gonna love this. Enjoy, and I'll catch you on the next one.